Is Facebook killing small creators, or you are just missing a big secret? I will reveal the truth and how you can fix it in this video. Facebook nowadays is pushing reels and short videos instead of long videos. If you are posting long videos more than 5 minutes, then you are making a big mistake. You should be posting short videos or reels. Ad revenue is collapsing, which means brands are spending less in 2025, which means CPM rates will drop by over 40% compared to 2024. Ouch! This will affect so many creators in 2025, and it's already affecting creators in 2025 because a lot of creators are complaining that their earnings are limited in 2025. It's not a joke, guys. It's happening to a lot of content creators. Some people are watching this video because they are trying to understand what is the reason for their earnings to be dropping in 2025. So make sure that you stay with me, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are not left behind whenever we upload our videos. So in 2025, a lot of channels are getting demonetized because of this reason. Some they got demonetized because of reused content. Some they got demonetized because of low engagement. Facebook is very strict in 2025. So Facebook wants you to use stars, subscription and bonuses, not ad revenue. So if you are ignoring this, you are leaving money on the table. So let me not waste time by explaining things that you already know, because I know that if you are watching this video, you are already facing one of the problems that I've mentioned into this video so far. So now let me help you to fix that problem that we are facing right now, so that you don't make the same mistake. So number one, post reels like a pro. Well, I'm going to teach you how to post reels. You don't post reels like whenever you feel like posting reels. You have to understand that you are engaging with people. You have to know when is the right time to post your reel. When you are making those reels, make sure you use trending sounds. That will help you get your video to be recommended, and make sure that you hook in the first 2 seconds is the best, because your hook is the one that people see first. You have 2 seconds to impress the person who is watching your video to watch that reel. So if you talk nonsense in that 2 seconds, nobody's going to watch your video. People will likely click away and watch the next video. And now you have to make sure that you post at least 3 times a week or 4 times a week. You don't have to post every day to get recommended or to get more views on Facebook. Just post 3 times or 4 times a week, and then you are done for the rest of the week. And then let's go to number 2, which is hack the engagement game. So here I'm going to teach you how you can get more engagement. Engage with people by replying their comment. Make sure that if someone comment into reels, you reply to that comment. Go live, engage with your friend, ask questions to the audience when you are live. So number 3, income stream. Relying on ad revenue is a big mistake, because earning with ad revenue is always a risk, because you can get demonetized anytime. You can't always rely on ad revenue, so you have to rely on things like subscriptions, stars. Let your fans send you stars. Make sure that you turn on your stars. Make sure you turn on your subscription, so that people can subscribe and pay a certain amount per month. And also make sure that you join the Facebook program. So number 4 is it's repurpose content smartly. What do I mean by that? Turn your reel into a TikTok video. You can turn your reel into an Instagram reel. You can turn your Facebook reel into your YouTube reel. So which means you can post one reel in all these platforms, which means one short video can generate you a lot of views, and one reel can generate you a lot of income. Imagine if you are monetized in all those platforms. you can make more money because it is your video. So the last one, which is important, build your own audience. What do I mean by that? Facebook can ban you tomorrow, and you won't be surprised by that. You can wake up tomorrow and you find out that your Facebook page is banned, or your Facebook profile is banned, or is restricted, which means you can't earn anymore, and it will become a problem if you are not earning anymore. You find out that you are relying on that money that you are earning. You find out that you are paying rent with that money that you are earning on Facebook. So don't make a mistake when it comes to this one. What I can advise you is that you have to grow your email list. Make sure that there's a platform where you earn when people sign up throughout your link. Make sure that you earn with referrals. So if you do that, your income will be secured, which means you won't be relying on Facebook only. You will be also relying on other platforms. So that's it for today, and you have to remember, Facebook is not dead. Facebook is just changing. Anytime things can change and people can start earning like last they were earning. So don't give up on Facebook. Facebook is always changing. There's time when you are earning more, then there's time when your earnings are less.